Good morning, it's Wednesday, August the 12th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Got a great show lined up for you this morning. I got ones across the board, so I got one Canadian press release, one U.S. press release, and one halt to report on. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes from the Canadian side. It's a company called New Dawn Mining Corporation, trades on the big board. That's the TSX under the symbol ND. The company is announcing that their Turk mine in Zimbabwe has increased their July 2009 gold output to a total of 1,016 ounces of gold. So it's obviously a junior producer. We've got some highlights. The gold production for July, as I mentioned, was 1,016 ounces, and that's over and above the 937 ounces that were produced in June 2009. Represents an 8.4% increase in gold production. Gold sales were approximately $1,037,000 in July 09, and that's up from $780,000 in the previous month, which represents a 33% increase in revenues. And finally, 100% of gold sales were received and collected in U.S. dollars. Got a quote from Ian Saunders, who's the president and CEO of New Dawn, who states, "Production at the Turk mine has increased steadily for the past 4 months, and we are well on our way to realizing our first production target of 1,200 ounces of gold per month by October to November 2009. A little bit about the company. They're a Zimbabwe-focused junior gold company currently increasing gold production at its Turk and Angeles mines, exploring for gold at the Glen Hume option claim, and identifying and pursuing other development projects. A little bit about the company. New Dawn recently put out a 43-101 for their Turk and Angeles mines, which documented an aggregate of just under 1 million ounces of gold, or 916,700 ounces to be specific, with an additional inferred mineral resource of approximately 332,000 ounces of gold. So congratulations to New Dawn. Looks like they're on their way. Company's last at 82 cents, high of $1.85, low of 50 cents, and they've got a market cap of approximately $23 million. Disclaimer time, they are an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own 2 feet. Great little junior gold production company. Moving on to our next company. They're a bulletin board company, NF Energy Saving Corporation of America. They trade on the bulletin board on the symbol NFES. The company is announcing second quarter results for the quarter ended June 30th, 2009. Some highlights, which include revenues increased to $5.2 million and $7.6 million for the 3 and 6 months ended June 30th, 2009, respectively. Net income was approximately $1.2 million, which is up 9% from $1,060,000 from the same period last year. A little bit about the company. They're a China-based provider of integrated energy conservation solutions utilizing energy-saving equipment, technical services, and energy management re-engineering project operations to provide energy-saving services to clients. And with China's energy consumption, they're one of the biggest consumers of energy in the world. Companies like this are going to be critical to China being able to save energy for sustainability. Company is last at $1.53, high of $1.70, low of 4 cents, market cap of approximately $61 million. Now, moving on to the halts. I've only got one halt for you. It's New Global Ventures International Limited, trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol NNG. The company is being halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Thanks for joining us. Please make sure to be here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.